Okay, 4x square minus 5x plus 9 when x equal to 1 by 2. Answer. Wait, just wait. Let fx equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 9. Now f1 by 2. In place of x we will put 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 9. 4 into 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 9. 1 plus 9 minus 2.5. 10 minus 2.5, that is 7.5 will be the answer. Pushkar, Pawnee, you send the message to join the class. Only 20 student is appearing. Okay. Write down. Completed. Now, next question. Factorize. Number 1, 9x square minus 12x plus 4. Can you? Nine x square minus 12x plus 4. Hello. पुष्कर, मैसेज सेंड करो. ओनली हाँ हाँ कीजिए कीजिए. ओके. नाउ 9x स्क्वायर, यहां से ये माइनस सिक्स एक्स प्लस 4, 3x इज कॉमन, 3x minus 2, minus 2 is common, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 and 3x minus 2. This will be the answer. Write down. Very good. Pawnee. Pawnee, you also send the message. Okay. Now may I rub the board? All of you tell me. May I rub the board? Dear student, लिख लिए सब लोग? ओके। Now, next important question. Now, next question is, आशीष राज, question is again factorize 125 x cube minus 343 y cube. First, second, 5x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 2x minus 1 by 3 whole square. These are the two questions. Okay. Now first, factorize 125 x cube minus 343 y cube. Okay. Then we will convert into a formula that is 5x whole cube minus 7y whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube. Very good. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Then 5x minus 7y, 25x square plus 35xy plus 49y square. This is the factorization of this question. Completed? All of you write down. Now second question. 5x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 2x minus 1 by 3 whole square. A square minus b square. That is a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. A minus b. After that you will write 5 4 to 7x plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and here will be 5x, then 3x plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 3 LCM, 21x plus 2 minus 1 and again 3 LCM, 9x plus 3 by 2 plus 1, then 21x plus 1 by 3 into 9x plus 3 by 3. अब अगर आप चाहो तो एलसीएम लेकर के कैंसिल भी कर सकते हो. तो उधर 3 कैंसिल कर देंगे तो 21x plus 1, 3 common, 3x plus 1 by 3. 3x plus 1 into 21x plus 1 by 3. Answer. Write down. आशुतोष, आशुतोष लिखिए बाबू, लिखिए, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, सब लोग लिख लीजिए. Okay, now next, all of you write down. Main of the board. बोर्ड मिटा दें. हेलो, मैसेज करने पर भी बच्चे नहीं आ रहे हैं. मिटा दे. ओके, Now next question is, देखो ये सब क्वेश्चन बोर्ड के लिए, फाइनल एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। आप सभी ध्यान से सुनो और अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल को बोलोगे कि नहीं अटेंड कर रहे हो, अब किस फॉर्म में एग्जाम होगा बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाएगा। Okay, now next question. Next question is, next question. How many planks? How many planks? Each of which is 2 meter long, 3 cm, 3 centimeter broad and 4 centimeter thick, can be cut off from a wooden block, of 6 meter long, 18 meter broad, 18 centimeter broad and 44 centimeter thick इस क्वेश्चन में यूनिट को इक्वल करेंगे। क्वेश्चन में यूनिट को इक्वल करेंगे। आंसर, नंबर ऑफ प्लैंक इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुडन ब्लॉक, this volume of wooden block by volume of one plank, volume of one plank क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम L इंटू बी इंटू एच बाई प्लैंक का होगा L इंटू बी इंटू एच। तो अब देखो वुडन का है 6 मीटर, तो 6 यूनिट को सेम करेंगे, 6 इंटू 100 दैट इज सेंटीमीटर इंटू 18 cm into 44 cm divided by 2 that is 2 into 100 यूनिट को सेम किए into 3 cm into 4 cm 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter. अब देखिए 100 कैंसिल, 3 2 जा 6 कैंसिल, 11, that is 11 into 18, it becomes 198 planks. ये होगा आंसर. नंबर ऑफ प्लैंक इक्वल टू 198. One hundred 98. Okay. Write down. May I rub the board? Hello? पौनी मिटा दूं? ओके. Next question is also important. Okay. Now next question is, three coppers cube whose edge measure 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single cube. To form a single cube. Find the surface area of single cube. Find the surface area of single cube. Find the surface area of single cube. Three copper cube whose edge measure is 4 cm, 5 cm and 3 cm respectively are melted to form a cube, single cube. Find the surface area. First we will find the volume of new cube. Answer: volume of new cube equal to sum of volume of 3 cubes equal to 5 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 cube. 125 plus 64 plus 27. 216 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ये तीनों क्यूब का वॉल्यूम मिलके हो गया 216 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. देन साइड क्यूब और साइड क्यूब इक्वल टू 6 क्यूब. It will be cube cancel. Side equal to 6 centimeter. Now surface area of cube. Now surface area of cube. 6 into side square. Okay. Then 6 into 6 square. 36 into 6. 216 centimeter square. 216 centimeter square will be the surface area of the resultant cube. Okay. Write down please. पौनी, हिमांशु लिखिए. साल्वी, सृष्टि लिखिए. इजहार, write down. Completed. Okay. Now next question. Now next question. Write down a river next question. A river three-meter deep, 3-meter deep and 40-meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. 2 kilometer per hour. How much water will fall into? How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? In a minute. Okay. Question is good. A river 3-meter wide and 3-meter deep, 40-meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometer per hour. How much water will fall into a minute? 1 मिनट में कितना वाटर फ्लो करेगा रिवर में? तो हम लोग इसको पहले ये 2 किलोमीटर को हम लोग 1 मिनट में मीटर में बदलेंगे, उसके बाद इसको फॉर्मूला पे अरेंज करेंगे. बनाइए इसको. ओके, डू योर